Hi, I'm Sizal Phuyel. I'm from Bhutan and currently I'm pursuing my B.Sc Nursing in Manipal. I'm in second year right now. And in the future, I would want to be a very good nurse because this place is providing me a lot of opportunity to become that. And I'm getting a lot of opportunities to meet with the patients, to know about them, and I'm getting to learn a lot from them more than the books. So I think this is the best place for me to do my nursing. In our country, we have a scholarship program. So through that only I got to know about Manipal. So I was in the top 5 nursing student. So through that, the top 5 are sent here because this was the one of the best private colleges of nursing. Here in Manipal, especially in my college, for our profession, like getting to know about the patient is much more important than the books. So every semester, they make sure that half of the semester we go in the hospital, do the clinical works, and through that only we'll get to learn a lot about that. After I finish my 4th year, so I think I'll be competent enough to get to know about the patient, to go there, and like without anybody's help, I can be able to serve the people. And also from my college itself, MCON, we get a teacher guardian. For every 12 students, we get one teacher guardian. So if there's any academic problem or health issues, whatever is there, we can first approach them. Then secondly, we can go to our class coordinators. Then if it's like more bigger than that, we can go to our dean as well. But in overall, for international students, we have the international affairs there. It's truly one of the advanced colleges, I feel. Hostel is also very nice. I'm staying in the new international hostel. The accommodation, the facilities are very good there. If you're a very sporty person, you can go to Marina. There's a lot of facility there. Basketball, badminton, swimming, tennis, and everything is there. So you can go there. Then the libraries are also very nice. You get a lot of information through the books. There are different kinds of books. So through that also, education-wise is also very nice. And the place here is very nice. The weather, the place, it's very nice to stay here. Basically, we go out to eat and all, so mostly we visit beach. There are a lot of nice, beautiful beaches here, so we go there and like spend our time. Like it's really great there to see the sunset and all. Manipal being one of the greatest name out of most of the colleges, so I think wherever I go, I think I'll definitely get a proper opportunity and a proper place to work with. Since the alumni network is very good here, I think I'll get opportunities in good brands and also I think this is going to be one of the plus points to study here in Manipal. So Manipal has always been my second home and I'll definitely miss this place and I'll miss the memories that I have made here and I'll cherish this place forever.